Good morning, student. I am from KV Math and Dem. Today I am going to discuss about the basic thing of quadratic equations, which will help you to solve exercise 4.1. Very small portions. So go ahead. Before going to quadratic equations, I want to link previous chapter, that is polynomials. In the polynomials, you have read in the polynomial many variables are there which we used as a x, y, z, and also they have many degree like 1, 2, 3, etc. And it has a special name like the equation of degree 1, that is called the linear equation, and the degree 2 called the quadratic equation, degree have 3 is called the cubic, etc. But in the case of quadratic equations, we will deal with the equation which have degree 2. That means such polynomials having one variable and the degree is 2. Now I will showing some connection with quadratic equation to the polynomial equation. From polynomial equation to the quadratic equations. Look at here polynomial equation, and this is the quadratic equations. In the polynomial equations, variables are many, but in the case of quadratic equations, variable is 1. Another thing, the degree of polynomials may be 1 to 3, but in the case of quadratic equation, only 2. Degree is only 2 and variable is only 1. And another things which you already read about the zero, how you have already find out the zero. But in the case of quadratic equations, you have to find the roots. Here, the word zero is used as a roots, and we denote these two roots as a alpha and beta. Since it is secondary equation, so it has two roots, that is alpha and beta. Now some definitions are there, just I read. In mathematics, quadratic equation is equation of second degree. It has two degrees, so it is called the second degree equation. And the another thing which is very important, just see here, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. We say it ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And in this equation, a, b, c are the real numbers. Here, these things are not the variables. And another thing, that is a is not equal to 0. This standard form is very important to find out whether any equation is quadratic equations or not. For this, you should remember whether this equation have degree 2 or not. It must be 2, neither less nor more. And another thing, that is the coefficient of x square should not be 0. Now we go for the second things. Another thing, just I will read only this portion you have already learned. So I read this portion. A real number alpha is said to be a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Alpha will be a root of the quadratic equation x square bx plus c if तभी होगा जब a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. That means p alpha is equal to 0. ये कंडीशन होगा तो ही ये कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशंस का रूट होगा, अदरवाइज ये रूट नहीं होंगे. Another things, that is here the zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c and the root of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are the same. That means which word we used or term we used as a 0 in the case of polynomial, we will use it as a root of the in the case of quadratic equations. Now I take one example for exercise 4.1. One question is already there. Just I first I read the question, and that is here. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. That means a equations is given. You have to find out whether this equation is quadratic equations or not. Now how can you find out? Let us the question Focus on the question. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. This is the question. This is the identity, that is the a plus b whole square. This identity is there, so we use it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now look at here, x square plus 2x plus 1 we convert here, then 2 into x minus 3 we multiply it and we get 2x minus 6. Look at here. Next, after calculation we get x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6. In this line 2x plus 2x minus 2x is cancelled out, so we get x square plus 7. Now you have to find out, that means you have to compare it with the standard equation of the quadratic equations. Look at here, x square plus 7, ax square plus bx plus c, that means it has a variable x, that is 1, and the degree is 2, so we can say it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation and it is a quadratic equation, so this is a quadratic equations. Now we will take another question, that is question number 3, that is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now multiply these two terms in the left side and multiply these two terms in the right side. After multiplication we get x square minus x minus 2 in the left side and x square plus 2x minus 3 in the right side, and then after calculation we get 3x minus 1. This is the equation. Now we have to compare it with the standard equation x square plus bx plus c, but here the maximum power of x is 1, so it is not in the form of ax square b plus bx plus c, that means the standard form of quadratic equation. So we can say the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Since its power is 1, so it is called a linear equation. Thank you.